कि जम्मू कश्मीर के 6 पार्लियामेंट्री कंस्टिट्यूंसी में से 2 के लिए पोलिंग हुई। जम्मू डिवीज़न में जम्मू पार्लियामेंट्री कंस्टिट्यूंसी और कश्मीर डिवीज़न में बारामूला पार्लियामेंट्री कंस्टिट्यूंसी। लद्दाख डिवीज़न की इलेक्शन बाद में है। इन 2 पार्लियामेंट्री कंस्टिट्यूंसी, ये दोनों पार्लियामेंट्री कंस्टिट्यूंसी जनरल कैटेगरी के थे और ये रिजर्व नहीं थे। टोटल मेल वोटर्स थे 17,16,985, 17,16,985। फीमेल वोटर्स 16,897। टोटल 33,17,882। टोटल सर्विस वोटर्स वर 47,155। ASD 18,691। Postal ballot 3,031, EDC 2,854, male candidates 33, Baramulla 9 and Jammu 24. There were no female candidates, no SC candidate, no ST candidate. Total number of polling stations were 4,489. plus 21 migrant polling stations. General observers 12, expenditure observers 8, micro observers 462, police observers 7, polling personnels 7,692, reserve 17,956, webcasting done at 484 polling stations. As per the last report came in, as we have not seen the 17C form, total voting percent in Jammu was 72.19%, and Baramulla 35.01%. So after examining 17C form, we would be able to give you exact figures. But this figure should be very close to the real one. Thank you. And one more thing, the polling has been very peaceful in Jammu division as well as in Kashmir division. It was incident-free polling today, and we congratulate all candidates, all political parties, all voters, all participants, officials, police, paramilitary forces who were deployed for duty for conduct of very successful and peaceful election today.
सर पुंछ से कुछ रिपोर्ट्स आई थी कि कुछ ईवीएम में कुछ खराबी थी, या फिर कुछ ईवीएम्स ऐसी थी जहां पर कि किसी एक पर्टिकुलर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के कैंडिडेट की जो बटन था वो काम नहीं कर रहा था। तो क्या कंप्लेंट्स थी और क्या उसमें फिर रिजल्ट्स रहे?
जब ये कंप्लेंट मिली तो हम लोगों ने इसको तुरंत से उसके सारे ईवीएम, बीयू, सीयू और वीवीपैट चेंज कर दी।
उसके बाद नॉर्मल पोलिंग रही उन सभी स्टेशंस पे?
नॉर्मल पोलिंग रही।
Sir, which district has recorded the highest turnout?
Highest turnout was
Jammu Punch
Samba, I guess.
Can you just give the district-wise breakup also?
जम्मू पीसी में जो है 75.74% सांबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड 74.50% जम्मू डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
सर
जम्मू 6 जम्मू पार्लियामेंट्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी हैविंग 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट। वन इज सांबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, पोलिंग टर्नआउट इज 75.14%। जम्मू डिस्ट्रिक्ट टर्नआउट इज 74.50%। राजौरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज 65.73%। and Poonch district is 70.42%. Overall, Jammu parliamentary constituency turnout is 72.16%.
Is it more than the previous time? More than
Is it more than the previous, or hopefully it will increase after the receiving of 17A and 17C? Exact figure will become after the scrutinize of the overall 17A, 17C. Some polling stations are in shadow area. We could not connect with them in communication. That will come political party. We will reconcile and share with you.
Valley 35%, lowest in Sopore constituency.
Sir, there are reports that Bharatiya Janata Party Chief Ravinder Rana has been issued a notice for violating poll code.
So let me see it.
Sir, could you please provide details about number of first-time voters participating in this constituency?
Not exactly this time.
सर सतवारी में लरवाल पानी के इलाका है, वहाँ पर तकरीबन 200 वोटर्स कह रहे कि हमारे वोटर लिस्ट में नाम नहीं हो, प्रोटेस्ट पे आपके खिलाफ किया 40 घरों के लोगों के जो नाम नहीं थे।
वोटर लिस्ट में नाम कैसे निकल जाता है उसके दो तरीके हैं। एक, किसी ने डिलीट करने के लिए एप्लीकेशन दी होगी, और दूसरी, अगर उसी नाम फोटोग्राफ के साथ सिमिलर एंट्रीज कहीं पर होती है तो फिर वो डिलीट हो जाती है। सो वो जैसे लोगों ने आपको बताया उनसे चेक करिए कि क्या उनका नाम किसी और पोलिंग स्टेशन पर या किसी और कंस्टिट्यूएंसी में है क्या। ईरोनेट जिस पर कि इस बार सारे इलेक्टोरल रोल रखे गए थे, उसमें जो सिमिलर एंट्रीज थी, डेमोग्राफिकली सिमिलर एंट्रीज, वो उसको निकाल देता है एक जगह से।
लेकिन एलिगेशन ये भी लगे कि जो डेड पीपल है उनके नाम वहाँ पर आपने कंसीडर किया।
आई वुड लाइक टू सी दोज डिटेल्स। किसने क्या कहा उसके बिना पर आई कांट आंसर। सो अगर ऐसा कोई कहीं पर आता है, अगेन डेड वोटर्स डिलीट करने का तरीका यही है कि या तो ईआरओ को या डीईओ को कहीं से पता चलता है कि वो फलाने आदमी का ही इज डेड, ही इज नो मोर, तो फिर उसको हटाया जाता है, या जो उसके फैमिली मेंबर फिर फॉर्म 8 डाल के और फिर उसका नाम डिलीट कराते हैं।
Are you happy that despite intimidation, terror threats, boycott lobby asking people not to come and vote, large number of people came out and they once again showed just with democracy in Kashmir Valley especially?
All of us are very happy, and it's the matter of great pride for everyone who participated in election. The management, all of us who created polling station, then had the ecosystem for voting for the voters, the political parties, the candidates, the campaigners, everyone.
Mr. Kumar, do you have the data of the voting turnout?
One by one, please. Yeah.
Do you have the data of the voter turnout of the Kashmiri migrants? And my question to IGP Sinha, that what is the latest update as far as situation in Kishtwar is concerned?
Total M forms were issued 4,908. out of which migrants have polled 54%.
54%.
सर, पुंछ में सुरक्षा कर्मियों के साथ लोकल की पोलिंग बूथ पे झड़प की खबर आई थी सर। सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस की झड़प हुई थी लोगों के साथ सर, क्या मामला था वो?
तब तक आप मनीष जी से पूछें, मुझे कमीशन से कॉल आ रहा है। I'll be taking that call.
वो झड़प की खबर आई थी, but the matter was resolved. It was a minor affray. The matter was resolved. No complaint, no formal complaint was lodged with the police regarding that incident.
Manish ji, Dogra Swabhiman Sangathan has accused you of being partisan. They are saying that you allowed RSS and BJP people to visit Kishtwar, but you disallowed him. One. Second, what is the situation in Kashmir, and what about the breakthrough in the killing of Chandrakant Sharma?
The allegation of being partisan is completely unfounded. We cannot allow a clash to happen. So we have to have a separation in time between two parties, particularly in this surcharged political atmosphere that we have. We couldn't have allowed two parties to be concurrently present. It was only a matter of delaying one party to visit. That was it. After that, the allowance was given. The leader that you are referring to, he did not exercise that option. As regards the situation in Kishtwar town is concerned, yes, it is still under curfew. The security situation is still not, or the situation is still not conducive for the lifting of curfew. We are keeping a close watch on it. As soon as we feel that it is all right, we will start lifting the curfew partially. As regards leads are concerned, at the moment I have nothing much to share. except that we have rounded up a few overground workers. We are putting them to sustained interrogation. We are getting a few leads and trying to work on them. As soon as those leads get developed and we get something substantive, we'll share with you.
Sir, two questions for CEO, sir.
Yes.
Sir, one related to whether you have drawn any comparative figures about this parliamentary elections and the previous parliamentary elections about this, these two parliamentary constituencies so far. And secondly, was there any report about this issue involved between a BSF commandant and voters in Baramulla constituency today?
It was not Baramulla, I guess it was Poonch.
Not Baramulla?
So, the brief what I received from IG BSF was one defeated Panchayat candidate of Panchayat election. He was stopping certain voters not to enter the polling station. The BSF deployed there was unable to handle that group. Therefore, he called his company commander, the assistant commandant, who came and diffused the situation. And if you watch that video, it clearly depicts that someone is giving commentary. And obviously the person who was videographing that incident was himself perhaps giving the commentary as per his liking. But we can see that the assistant commandant was very calm and composed, and he was trying to pacify the old gentleman. Then we rushed the magistrate there. The assistant commandant and that BSF officer was removed from there and asked not to get into this couple.
Did you meet any voter also?
No, no such report is there till now. The SSP will be sending a detailed report sometime by evening. So then we'll be sharing further detail with you.
You think Netas need to be very careful, like Mehbooba Mufti need to be very careful before jumping to conclusion, especially trying to, in fact, demonize security forces and portraying them in bad light without verifying facts, because she had been the former Chief Minister of the state and such an atmosphere, you don't think she is instigating and provoking. And what message will be to such Netas at this point of time?
I would not be giving any statement over personal remarks given by any political leader. Generally, I would say that political personalities must verify facts and then give any kind of a statement. It should not be made in a hurried kind of mind.
Sir, question I had asked about this. Sir, second question I had asked about this comparative figures, whether you have drawn out any.
Yes, in these two parliamentary constituencies, in 2014 they voted 50.09. Jammu voted for 69%. Baramulla voted for 34%. Jammu this time is 72.16. Baramulla is 35.01. And Lok Sabha 2019 that way would be somewhere near 56%.
सर हालांकि पोलिंग काफ़ी हाई परसेंटेज हुई है, लेकिन इसके बावजूद कहीं पर भी 0% कहीं रहा है, क्योंकि सुबह कुछ आ रहा था कि कुछ लोगों ने बॉयकॉट किया था, लेकिन शायद बाद में पोलिंग हो गई थी.
अभी तक हमने एग्जामिन नहीं किया है कि किस जगह 0 हुआ, किस जगह 90% हुआ, बिकॉज वो एग्जामिनेशन अभी होनी है. एक सर्टेन % से ज़्यादा की वोटिंग होती है तो देन इट इज़ टू बी एग्जामिन इन डिटेल. सो वो एग्जामिनेशन नहीं हुई है. दैट इज़ वाई मैंने बिगनिंग में बताया था कि 17C फॉर्म अभी हमने एग्जामिन नहीं किया है. दोनों ROs ने और रेस्पेक्टिव DEOs ने अभी वो जब पार्टी डी इंडक्ट होने के बाद जब आई है तो उनके सारे फॉर्म्स को अभी एग्जामिन करना बाकी है.
You want to congratulate security forces for instilling confidence among people. They stood like a rock between the terrorists and the people, making them move towards the polling booth and participate in large numbers.
All of them actually, all of you are part of this exercise. Security forces, candidates, political parties, voters, DEOs, their team, polling officers, presiding officers, micro observers, everyone who was into conduct of this election, they are entitled for compliments.
There were reports of clashes in Palhalan area, and some people have been injured. What do you have to say?
Just now I got that information. There has some incident in which while de-induction some firing has taken place. So details are awaited. So once details are there, then we can share with you. Yeah.
सर अगर किश्तवाड़ में पोलिंग तक स्थिति संभाली नहीं होती है तो क्या होगा? क्या पोलिंग हो पाएगी?
We are not here for guessing. So everything will be fine. We are confident that Kishtwar will get back to normal position and the polling will also go ahead as per schedule. Yes. One last question, please.
What is the overall poll percentage? Overall poll percentage, tentatively?
Should be around 56, 55, 56%.